Graphics kit's in, and I ordered it from Extreme Graphics. I found this company on eBay, and they're out of Buenos Aires, Argentina. I think that's where they're from. And let's take a look at what I got. This kit was 130 bucks. Let's see what's in here. One sticker. That one looks like it goes on the cowl. Looks pretty nice. I mean, it looks decent. Over there. I'm not sure where this one goes. I think this might go on the back. Looks pretty good. And I'll tell you, the weight on these, they're pretty thick. These are not cheap. Shouldn't see decals. These are pretty thick. They got a good weight to them. This looks like the one that goes over the taillight, and then the Yamaha that's stamped in the back probably goes through there. We got some of these little side ones here. Pretty good. Another one. This little one, little pack here, seems to be sealed up. I'm not really sure what this is. Take a look. Figure it out. We got Yamaha lube and some little Yamaha stickers. Pretty cool. Put them over there. Decent sticker. That's the other one. Left and the right. This looks like a side sticker. Looks pretty good. This is a complete sticker kit for this entire quad. That's a pretty cool one. Revs your heart. I don't know if that's the side of the tank or what. No, I haven't seen any directions yet, so maybe there aren't any. Another big one. That could be a fender decal. Another long one. Rev your heart. I think this is just another big one. And another small one. So I'm not really sure how this goes because it didn't come with directions. So I guess I'm going to have to look at the, unless they're in the bottom here. I guess I'll have to look at the website picture they have on eBay to figure out how these go or where they go. Pretty cool kit. I guess next step is to do an install. Give the cowl on the front of the bike a nice coat of red paint. I think that'll pop with the black plastic, and it'll really it'll match the decal kit that I got for this bike as well, or graphics kit or whatever you want to call it. Plastics are back on. I painted up the cowl red. I thought it looks better. I got the decal on that. I got the side graphics on. I still have to do the front and rear fenders and the top of the tank, which I'm going to do today. I'm not going to video the process of putting them on because it takes time. You got to use a heat gun. It takes a while to get all the air bubbles out and everything. So I'm not going to video all that. I'll just put it back on, turn you back on when I have all the graphics done. One other thing I'm going to do today is I noticed that this is the first time I've had it off the lift since I brought this thing home, is that this thing is extremely out of alignment. You can see how cocked those wheels are. Not even close. Give you an idea of how, maybe you can see it more up here. But these wheels are really out of alignment. And this tire here is, if you can see, it's been wearing, like, these are angled right here, because this thing's been ridden like this for a while after they put new tires on it. So I'm gonna fix that today as well. I'm not gonna show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. You just adjust the linkage on the steering. So I'm gonna do that as well. And I might actually take this for a little bit of a ride today around the backyard. We'll see. If I don't do it today, I will do it before I post this video. It'll be the last thing I do on this video is take this for a ride. So I'm going to turn you off now and I'm going to get to work. Quick update. Tank decals on. Looks good. I got the two front decals on the fenders. I'm going to do the outer decals now. Just wanted to give you guys a progress report. It's looking pretty good. Making a big difference. I'll be back after I get some more done. All done. Graphics are on. Just took it for a ride. Runs good. I think it looks good. The graphics kit was not too difficult to put on. It's good vinyl, so it's easy to stretch out, get bubbles out of it, get it to sit flat for you. I got a few wrinkles in it, but for the most part, it came out nice. It looks much better than it did. It's running nice, and I guess that's it. Time to move it on to a new home. Put this one up for sale. Make a couple of bucks, and then we'll grab another one and get right back at it. I want to thank everybody for watching. This was a fun project. I had a lot of fun doing it. It took quite a bit of my time, but I think the end result was worth it. And somebody's going to purchase this, and they're going to have themselves a pretty nice quad. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, leave comments below. Let me know what you think of the wrap. Yeah, just anything at all. If you want to get any questions on any tools I use, anything that I did, I'm happy to answer anything that you ask. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.